To avoid corona, wash your hands, wear a face covering, maintain social distancing. While you are sneezing or coughing, cover your mouth, protect yourself from corona.
Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome to cognitive class. Open the book Cognitive Workbook, page number 76. Before going to this page, we will see what we have done in the last class. In the last class, you learnt about landforms. I explained in the previous video what is landform and types of landforms. I shown some images also. Now we will do textbook exercises. For doing the textbook exercises, open the page 76. In the page 76, the first main is match the landforms that complement each other. First, we will see what is this image. See here I am showing the card. This is lake. Here is the description of the lake. A lake is an area of water surrounded by land. Here, children observe here, area of water surrounded by land. Blue color indicates water and brown color indicates land. This is lake. Now, match it. Next, cape. Observe this image, children. See here, brown color indicates land, blue color indicates water. This is called cape. A cape is a piece of land going out a little way into the sea. It is a piece of land. You are observing, no? It is a piece of land going out a little way into the sea. This is sea. Now match this, draw a line to the image. Next, Gulf. This is the image of Gulf. A gulf is a stretch of water going far into the land. A gulf is a stretch of water going far into the land. Are you observing the picture? No? See, it is going far into the land. This is called gulf. Now, search gulf image here. Yes, this is gulf. Match it. Next is archipelago. I will show you the card. See, this is archipelago. Archipelago means an archipelago is a small number of islands making a group.
Observe this image, children.
See, these are all islands. The brown color land you are seeing, no? A small number of islands making a group. This is called archipelago. Now, search here. Where is archipelago? See here. Draw a line. Next is bay. This is bay.
A bay is an area of seawater partly enclosed by land.
Bay is an area of, see, this is bay. A bay is an area of sea water partly enclosed by land. This is land. Now, here search bay. Yes, it is here. Draw a line. Next is Isthmus. Isthmus means, see the picture children. This is isthmus. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land which joins two large areas of land. See, this is isthmus. It is joins two large areas of land. This is also land. This is also land. Here it is joining. This is called isthmus. Now search here. Where is isthmus? Draw a line. Next is system of lakes. Here is the card. System of lakes. This is system of lakes. A system of lakes is a number of small lakes making a group. Observe here children. This is lakes. A group of lakes is called system of lakes. Now search in your textbook. Where is system of lakes? Yes, it is here. Match it. Next is island. This is the picture card of island. And means, see here the definition of island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. This is a land and this is water. A piece of land surrounded by water is called island. Search in your textbook. Where is island? Yes, it is here. Draw a line. Next is strait. This is the image of strait. Strait means, a strait is a narrow stretch of water joining two large areas of water. This is strait. It is joining two areas of large water. Here is one large water area is there. Here one more large area of water is there. Here it is joining. This is strait. Now here this is strait. Join. Match it. Next is peninsula. Here is the picture card. This is peninsula. A peninsula is piece of land extending a long way into the water. Here observe in picture card is a piece of land extending a long way into the water. This is all water. It is extending into the water. This is called peninsula. Now this is peninsula. Match it. After completing the first main, move to second main. Here draw a picture of each of the following. In this box you have to write mountain and here you have to write river. Draw by yourself children. Draw mountain here and draw river here. After completing page number 76, move to page number 77. Identify and write the names of the landforms. Here they are given landforms. You have to identify that name and here you have to write. For that, here word grid is there. Take help of this and write. A piece of land surrounded by water is called island. See, this is island. Here you have to write island. Island. Next, this is peninsula. Here take the help of the word grid. Here spelling is there. Peninsula. 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 This is bay. Next, this is isthmus, joining two large areas of land. This is isthmus. Isthmus. Strait. It is joining two large areas of water. Strait. S-T-R-A-I-T. Strait. This is lake, a small area of water surrounded by land. Next picture, archipelago, a group of small islands. Take the help of number grid. See the spelling there. ARCHIPELAGO. Archipelago. The next picture is cape. C-A-P-E, cape. Next is G-U-L-F, Gulf. Here one fun fact is there. Oceans cover 71% of Earth's surface. Majority of life is aquatic. The world's longest mountain chain is underwater. This is the information. Read this. After page number 77, move on to page number 78. The first main is identify and write the names of the landforms. A piece of land going out a little way into the sea. Cape. C-A-P-E, cape. An area of seawater partly enclosed by land. B-A-Y, bay. A stretch of water going far into the land. A stretch of sea water going far into the land. That is Gulf. A piece of land extending a long way into the water. Here the piece of land extending long way into the water. Water olagade extend agide. This is called peninsula. P-E-N-I-N-S-U-L-A, peninsula. An area of water surrounded by land. This is an area of water surrounded by land called lake. Observe here, children. This is opposite to this. This is opposite to this. But names are different. You have to observe carefully and write the names. We'll move on to next main. Color as instructed. ಕಲರ್ ದ ವೈಡರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಲರ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾರೋವರ್ ಲೇಕ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯಾರೋವರ್ ಲೇಕ್, ಕಲರ್ ಇಟ್. ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್. Page number 79. In page number 79, the first mean is identify and write the names of the landforms. Here also we have to read the sentence and observe the picture and write the landform. A piece of land surrounded by water. This is piece of land surrounded by water is called island. Island. I-S-L-A-N-D. Land. A narrow strip of land which joins two large areas of land. See here, observe the picture. This is narrow strip of land joins large areas of land. This is called isthmus. I-S-T-H-M-U-S. A small number of islands making a group. Here the small number of islands making a group. That's called archipelago. A-R-C-H-I-P-E-L-A-G-O. Archipelago. A narrow stretch of water joining large areas of water. Here observe the picture. Here narrow stretch of water joins large areas of water called strait. S-T-R-A-I-T. Strait. Here is the clue. You can take the help of this. You can write. The next main is color as instructed. Color the larger cape. Here this is the larger cape. Color it. Color the smaller bay. This is the smaller bay. Color it. Here the one fun fact is there. Read the fun fact. Caspian Sea is actually the largest lake in the world, located between Europe and Asia. Here they are marked. Watch it. This is the Caspian Sea. It is the largest lake in the world. Complete page number 79. After page number 79, move on to page number 80. Review. This is the review page of evolution of man and landforms. Name 3 objects that use wheels. Cart, car and bus. Describe one activity where we use fire. Cooking. For cooking we will use fire. Draw a picture of each of the following. Strait, island. Take the help of previous pages. Draw strait picture and island picture by yourself, children. Identify and write the names of these landforms. This is lake, isthmus, I-S-T-H-M-U-S, isthmus. This is system of lakes. System of lakes. This is peninsula. Peninsula. Peninsula.
Complete page number 80.
Learn this well, children. Thank you.